गुड मॉर्निंग प्यारे बच्चों। आज हम एक्सरसाइज 5.3 करेंगे क्योंकि पोलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन हमारे सिलेबस से निकल गया है और सेकंड एक्सरसाइज उसी पर बेस थी, इसलिए हम सेकंड एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे। थर्ड एक्सरसाइज इज बेस्ड ऑन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस, solution of quadratic equations. In 10th class you have studied how to find the solution of quadratic equations in real number system, and there you have studied that if d is greater than equal to 0, then the equation has real roots, and if d is less than 0, then the equation has no real roots. So to find the roots of quadratic equation, in this case where d is less than 0, we have expanded our number system to complex number systems, and now we can find the solution of the roots of such type of equations in complex number system. Suppose we have the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 with real coefficients a, b, c, and a is not equal to 0, because if a is 0, then it will not remain the quadratic equation, it will become the linear equation. And suppose we have taken the discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now if this is negative, we can take negative sign common and we can write 4ac minus b square, and root minus 1 is I, so the roots of the equation becomes minus b plus minus root 4ac minus b square I divided by 2a. Now let us do some questions. This is the first question: x square plus 3 equals 0. When you compare it with the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, we have a equal 1, b equals 0 because there is no term containing x, and c is 3. Then d is b square minus 4ac, that is 0 square minus 4a into 1 into 3, so it is minus 12. Now roots are minus b, that is 0 minus 0, plus minus root minus 12 by 2, and root minus 12 is root 12i, so the roots are plus minus 2 root 3i divided by 2. 12 को फैक्टराइज करके 4 into 3 लिख सकते हो, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 हो गया. So this is our final roots. Next is 2x square plus x plus 1. Here a is 2, b is 1, c is 1. So b square, d is b square minus 4ac, that is 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So it is minus 7. So the roots of the equation is minus 1 plus minus root minus 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. And root minus 7 is root 7i. So the final roots of the equation are this. Next is solve the equation minus x square plus x minus 2 equals 0. Compare with the standard form, you will get a is minus 1, b is 1, and c is minus 2. So the d is, again it is minus 7. So the solutions are minus b plus minus root minus 7 divided by 2 multiplied by minus 1. So root minus 7 is root 7i because root minus 1 is I. So the final roots of the equation are minus 1 plus minus root 7i divided by minus 2. Next one is x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. A is 1, b is 3, c is 5. So d is b square, ये सिंबल बेटा माइनस के लिए है, ये यहाँ मिसप्रिंट हो गया. So it is b square minus 4ac. So 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. Again this symbol is for minus, so it is 9 minus 20, that is minus 11. So the roots are minus 3 plus minus root minus 11 divided by 2 into 1, that is minus 3 plus minus root 11 I divided by 2. Next one, root 2x square plus x plus root 2 equals 0. Here a is root 2, b is 1, c is root 2. So the d is b square minus 4ac, that is 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. This sign is again for minus sign. So 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. So the roots are here minus 1 plus minus root minus 7 divided by 2 root 2, that is minus 1 plus minus root 7 I divided by 2 root 2. This sign is for minus a is. Next one is root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 2 equals 0. So a is root 3, b is minus root 2 and c is 3 root 3. So the d is b square minus 4ac. This sign is again for minus, that is minus root 2 square minus 4 into root 3 multiplied by 3 root 3, that is 2 minus 36, that is minus 34. So the roots of the equation is minus of minus b, minus b, and b is minus root 2, so minus of minus root 2 plus minus root minus 34 divided by 2 root 3, and root minus 1 is I, so it becomes root 2 plus minus root 34 I divided by 2 root 3. That's all for today. Now complete the exercise. Thank you.